Mini apple pizzas are a great and healthy choice for a breakfast or snack idea for your kids, especially during this busy school year. Here at the Boys and Girls Club, we are showing our kiddos how to make them. Everyone's hands washed. I'm gonna walk you through how to make your mini apple pizza. So it's super simple. You're gonna grab your apple slice. This will be the crust of your pizza. Then I'm gonna have you spoon a little bit of yogurt and honey, if you would like that, into a bowl. You only need a little bit of yogurt to spread around there. Honey, you can drizzle it in there, mix it up, and then you can add that like your sauce. That'll be the base for everything to stick to. Then you can come over to the ingredients. These will be your pizza toppings. So whatever you're feeling today. Raisins here, if you want to sprinkle a couple on of those. We have some cinnamon granola, so we can add a little bit to that as well. And then most importantly, we have our fruit pieces. So you can add blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. You can find this recipe in the description of this video and also find other healthy recipes in our Words of Wellness blog.